Good girly. Wings. Wings.
Look at sweet
She's
head.
turning around towards you now.
Wings. I think that's
Be careful,
you're gonna
girly.
squish her, love.
Wings. Girly. Girly. Wings. Wings. Girly. Wings.
Oh, she doesn't know what to do, look. That must be hard.
Stand up on your 2 feet. Girly. Water.
Her head squished.
We'll try to go to the What's else? Drink? Wrong wing. Other wing. Wings. Wings. Just got squished. Girly. Wings. Baby. Squish. Watching it.
She squished that one. I don't know if they.
You're fast words about that Swan. I don't think she knows what she's doing.
Oh, it's okay.
That's what I'm saying. It looks as if the seat's going underneath her, the velvet, the wee ones. Well, it doesn't look as if there's much there. And she had her wings right over. Just they're not that from the other way like they were before. Wings.
Goodness, getting flippy already.
Hello. I just tried to film on the camera. Girly wings.
Mommy, there's my
Other wing. No, the other one. Yes, good girl. You want to use my camera? Wings. Is she alright? Wings. Yes, that one. Yes, wings. Wings, girly. Wings. Flies down. Here. Look away. Your video. Wing. Oh my god. Look at me. Just a little shit of mine. What is yours, Deb? I did both, sure, and then you'll get more pictures to choose from. Girly, wings! Wings! Come on, girly! Well, she's turned around to see you anyway. Little flies. Should have got some tea tray spray.
wings. Yeah,
What's it
called?
called? Girly wings! That'd be wings.
It'd be lovely if she just got up on the
Wings!
seat.
Oh, good girl! Good girly! Oh, you're so cute! You're such a good girly!
She's got wings already. The wee wings.
Did you get that?
Did you see the wee wings?
Wings! Come on, girly! Wings! I've sent you the spring wash. It's girly. It's like Chris Packham was going to film with girly. Wings! Babies, wings! Wings! No, the other wing. The other one. Other wing. Wings! Wing? She says I did do it. She's doing the wrong one now to wind me up, probably. Wings! Girly, come on, you can do it. Where's the babies? Wings!
Her husband's took off again. It's been gone this long time.
Right, girly! Wings! We did Burger King. Come on, girly. I ordered. I like hears noises. Is it her making them? Wings. Yes, I ordered the power bank off Argos. But maybe get a break in traffic. Good girly. Because they're fully charged at Argos.
Oh yeah.
And there's a new set out. Wings. And it does 5 full charges. And fast charges you for half an hour. So I got one the other day, and I couldn't believe how brilliant it was.
Where did you get them?
Argos. So I bought a couple more, and I was.
Oh, must be.
Girly wings. Some sort of fire.
Argos. Yeah. On other day.
29, I think.
29.
Yeah, but it's only 7 charges. But if you go out the other day, that's not it. It's a blue one. David has it. Wings? What, see where it's again? Blue, you blue one, the new blue one. Is it there? No. Girly, you wings. The packaging still on, girly.
And what is 37 charges?
It's 7 full charges. Wings. There's a couple of different blue ones now, but it's the juice.
And is that for all phones?
It's, yeah, you've all your cables. You can charge 2 at the same time.
Girl, good,
And I have that
good
fully.
girl. Wings?
The lights are on for it. But I think it gives you 7 full charges. It's a very specific one. There's loads of them. But that fast charges my phone in 30 minutes.
Really? Wow.
So,
Where's your babies?
Wonder where he went to.
that's what we were going to get in case any of us needed charge.
Girl, where's your babies?
Tonight, or later on, or in half an hour.
Wings?
Alice had she had a fall.
Alice failed?
Yeah, we're only away an hour and a half, 2 hours.
Oh God.
She's getting weak with the sun, so she's But she doesn't want to miss this, so she's doing her best.
I know it's hard work this
She
year.
couldn't even eat, so it's not like her.
Oh,
Girly
excited.
wings, come on,
No
you can do
sickness.
it.
She
sickness.
gets the sickness for this thing.
Oh, the nervous
Really,
thing.
really heavy fatigue with it.
Okay.
And then she fell, went off to down to go to the toilet. And we thought if we got her a hot
Flat
chocolate,
surface.
a hot chocolate like bring her around the way they work. Yeah.
And did it work?
Girly, you
Well,
wings?
she's managed to get to here without falling.
Wings.
Good girl.
Come on, you can do it, girly. Good girl. Wings.
I give birth to a swan, I suppose.
Wings. Wings.
Come on, now give us a wee view.
Girly, wings. Come on. Wings. Girly, do the wings. Wings.
She's wrecked. God help her.
Tired now.
Oh, yeah. Croissants aren't doing it for you. Nothing's doing it.
Wings.
At least she's done it for you when you come back. That was really good.
Girly,
love
where's
her.
your babies? Where are they?
This will probably go on to 11 o'clock tonight.
There she said, I was like, I'm fed up with these blooming babies and blooming things. I don't know if I want to take an egg again.
Wings.
I think she's over the moon, but she's too tired to even.
Here.
So when I was at the loo, they popped around. There's no sign of
other ones?
missing, no. It
Did you
was a
see
real
that
fluke we seen her last night. We don't know where she
It's
is.
a bit tired
Right.
now.
But at least we got the wee ones.
Right place, right time.
Well, she got to see them because she never seen them. That's the youngest. You're not going to see them this young again.
Not that young, no. I remember one year I got to see them on the back
Girly,
in
on
Lurgan
croissants?
Park.
Oh, God, yeah, it looks
And the wee
cool.
one was sitting and she was doing this trying to get food. You know the way they go
Yeah.
like that there.
Wings.
And the wee baby was going like this. It was
Girly,
lovely.
wings.
You're wondering have they had that feed under her wing?
Because of them, you know.
Because they're not fighting to get out that door.
No,
So if we do that, it'll only keep them safe.
they're looking for heat.
Eat and food.
Yep.
Because they eat right away.
Come on,
I can't
girly.
believe you managed to get that ear landscape out of there.
I can't believe it.
I thought it was like silk and it was going to be the whole way.
I thought it sank down to the bottom. So I was going
It was my magic stick.
Was it the same stick?
I just here use my magic stick.
Saved me
Girly.
15, 20
Good
pounds.
girly.
They might Sony cost you a fortune.
Sony's always dear,
know.
aye. It's like if you get an Apple phone. Do you have an Apple phone or?
Yeah,
Yeah.
don't talk to me.
No, from the very start I went Samsung Android because I didn't want to
Apple
tie to
is
buy
so-
everything off on Apple.
I know. And I have to buy a certain charger.
You get certain
Lightning charger or something called.
certain
Girls'
everything
wings?
and then you're
Girly,
Yeah.
Kiddie wings. She's tired.
Just
Poor thing.
no you're not, it's just I'm only joking. I'm not serious.
Girly.
But you know I was saying video of how really was.
Wings,
I
girly.
put the man's key to the toilet and I says,
Come on,
John, got
girly.
key. He says,
You
no,
do
hold on.
it.
He's telling me, hold on. He says, what are you doing?
should be
I
wings,
says,
girly.
I'm just
Say.
going to visit the Swan here. As if to say,
You know.
She's so
See they see them every day and they're probably just gonna
girly's wings.
well, this kind of thing I love.
no, it's what I just keep saying to the kids, this is one in a million. Never
Yeah, it
ever gonna
is.
see this again.
You right, girly?
Like
Good
people going to the
girly.
D-Day celebrations and all. Oh, we'll never get to do this again, you know, we should go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you remember a few years ago the airplanes down Newton The
No.
Spitfire?
No, I didn't see them.
Brilliant.
But no, I've seen the red arrows all loads of times.
Oh, I've never seen
but,
them, like.
what are they called? There's a lot of controversy in the red arrows. Female recruits getting picked for their looks. Yeah, and the
Very
staff
nice.
and a lot of
Be tired.
sexism and abuse.
Oh, I wouldn't surprise me.
Because they think they are the elite of the elite. And if they're not the other way around pushing.
I was watching something on Netflix last night. This girl got kidnapped. I can't remember the name of it now. But it's two army guys. And they're supposed to be in the army. They're helping themselves though.
Yeah, that's the way it works. That's all you ever hear. It's usually not all military, but
Aye, but
the good love one, not great. That's what we have around our way. And
Okay.
we're
No
not
croissant.
what do you call
yes.
So sleepy. Okay. So gorgeous.
we still take her home. Yeah. Do you ever need rescue to get a large problem for you?
Home. t-shirts and vests around there and I walk around in 3
It's
coats.
gorgeous around there. But
Freezing around
as soon
here.
as we got there, I got my car. That was brilliant.
That's right.
Then I thought, you only have to walk through that up there, and you can do like a warm up and then back down. Okay. I'm just having a wee snooze. So I sent Mommy some pictures, and she's doing her electoral office training.
Is she?
And she's a returning officer, so she had to just do her training every year. Make sure it's the right person voting. As if we're going to let somebody else vote. No. As I say, you've been doing that many years, you could sit and sleep at the table and do it.
I know. I don't vote.
I don't do that.
So cute.
It's always the same ones get in this country.
It's pretty damn low.
I know that.
And there's so many. I wonder what each one actually does.
Okay,
So many councillors, so many NRS, so many just one.
you just take the money.
Too many of you.
Oh, girly.
Come on, let me see,
Wings?
Pat.
Girly wings. Wings.
Let us see, sweetie.
Beauties.
Get a wee sneaky peek.
Eggs. Girly wings. Come on. You can do it.
Just like that, like,
Come on, girly. Come on,
See,
girly.
more
You can
there.
do it.
More they get up,
Wings.
they will be going berserk in there and she'll have to move. You're going to know about it in a few hours, love.
Wings.
We did throw seed down to help you, but no, they keep moving.